VS Code is what I use in this book, but nothing here depends on it, so if you already have an editor you love, keep it. Code Blocks is the classic beginner's IDE, and if you take that route, download the version bundled with MingW so the compiler comes with it. C Lion from JetBrains is commercial but free for students and has the best refactoring and debugging of the lot, though it insists you use CMake. Visual Studio on Windows has a superb debugger inside a very heavy install. Vim and NeoVim, driving ClangD over the language server protocol, are extremely capable, with an equally famous learning curve. Emacs does the same thing with CC-mode and LSP-mode. And Dev C++ is very light, but only the Embarcadero fork, the original Bloodshed version, is long obsolete. There is one thing I will tell you plainly to avoid, and it is Turbo C or Turbo C++. It is a 16-bit DOS compiler from 1991 that is still inexplicably prescribed by some university courses. The problem is not that it is old, it is that it is wrong. It implements a dialect that predates the first C standard. Its int is 16 bits, so numbers overflow at 32,000 rather than 2 billion. It wants you to write void main, which is not valid C. And it will teach you a set of habits that you then have to unlearn. Nothing in this book targets it. If your course requires it, do the course work there and learn real C here. Anything with a compiler from this century is fine. Pick one and stop thinking about editors.